Hello everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive. It's been some time since I put up a video. Today I am working on a 2018 Honda CRV. It's a common problem that I have seen in Honda vehicles. Not only in CRV, I've seen this happen in Odyssey, and it's an easy fix, but here's the problem. If you take a look at my fuel gauge, it's showing totally full. But if you look at my digital screen here, it says range 225 miles. There's no way it's full at 225 miles. Alright, so I'm going to show you what the fix would be. I'm going to turn off the car and you could see, check this out. Once I turn everything off and I restart the car, so you could see my gauge goes right up. Look at that. Right up. But it's not supposed to be up there. It definitely has to be probably half of that. So the fix would be is your fuel level sensor in a gas tank most likely got stuck up in full position, and that happens a lot of times if the vehicle been handled by forklift at the auction, or if sometimes when you get a full, I mean, I've even seen it. The cars have never been in an accident. Sometimes from an accident, when the vehicle's involved in an accident, the shock wave and just kind of goes through that fuel tank and it gets it stuck. Sometimes I've seen in vehicles it gets stuck in a position that never been in an accident. So I don't know what the case might be. I just kind of ran those things through. A lot of people could think they have a full gas tank and keep on driving and run out of fuel. So I'll show you what the fix would be. Just stay tuned. Okay, so here's what I had to do. I had to remove 2 bolts, and I had to lift up the rear driver's seat up, and then you have 3 Phillips size screws. There's a fuel pump right here. Next, there's a little metal bracket right here. I apologize about my lighting. I'm gonna get a light. You gotta twist it counterclockwise, and they will allow you to lift the fuel sending unit. And there's gonna be a float that goes up and down, and I'm going to show you what happens. So check this out. This is a fuel sending unit. This is the float that goes up and down, and once it goes up, it's full. When it's down, it's empty. So when forklifters handle the vehicles, sometimes this thing gets stuck like this. I mean, all the way up position, and it's reading full tank of gas, and then all the gas, whereas you burn all the gas and the float's not going down. So all you have to do, just kind of loosen it up. We're gonna put it back in the tank and it should work. Okay, so I went ahead and put everything back just to check. Put the fuel pump back in. Check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the ignition on. If you remember, it was showing me to have a fuel tank of gas. Watch this. There you go. I have about a quarter, and that's exactly what I have inside the tank. And I could have been fooled by both gauges. So once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive. That's how you fix an issue if you have a fuel issue just like I had. Thank you for watching.